Imagine waking up one day, surrounded by mountains of debt, drowning in financial stress. You're working hard, putting in the hours, but your bank account never seems to reflect your efforts. You find yourself wondering, is this all there is to life? If you've ever felt like your finances are a tangled mess, then you're not alone. What if I told you there's a roadmap to financial success? A guide that not only tells you what to do, but shows you how to do it? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into the world of I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Ramit Sethi isn't your average finance guru. He's a breath of fresh air in a world of complex financial jargon and overwhelming advice. With his wit, wisdom, and irreverent style, Sethi takes the fear out of finance and empowers you to take control of your money. In I Will Teach You to Be Rich, he shares practical strategies and actionable steps to help you build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and live life on your own terms. Week 1. Optimize your credit cards. Week 1 kicks off with a crucial task: optimizing your credit cards. Contrary to popular belief, having good credit is key to financial success. Sethi breaks down the steps to improve your credit score, from choosing cards with low interest rates to strategic spending and payment habits. It's all about maximizing the benefits while minimizing the risks. First, Sethi emphasizes the importance of understanding the role of credit in your financial life. Debt can be a valuable tool if used wisely, but it can also become a burden if mismanaged. By using credit cards responsibly and paying off balances in full each month, you can build a positive credit history and take advantage of rewards and perks. Next, Sethi provides actionable tips for managing credit cards effectively. This includes strategies for choosing the right cards, negotiating fees and interest rates, and developing a plan to pay off existing debts. By optimizing your credit card usage, you can improve your credit score and set yourself up for financial success. Week 2. Set up the right bank accounts. Next up, Week 2 focuses on setting up the right bank accounts. Your banking infrastructure plays a vital role in your financial health, so it's essential to choose wisely. Sethi guides you through selecting accounts with no fees and high interest rates, ensuring your money works for you. During this week, Sethi emphasizes the importance of researching and comparing different banking options to find the best fit for your needs. This includes considering factors such as fees, interest rates, and convenience. By choosing accounts that align with your financial goals, you can maximize the benefits of your banking relationships. Sethi also provides practical tips for managing your bank accounts effectively. This includes setting up automatic transfers and payments, monitoring your account activity regularly, and taking advantage of online banking tools. By staying organized and proactive, you can ensure that your bank accounts support your financial goals. Week 3. Get ready to invest. Week 3 is where the magic happens. Investing. Sethi emphasizes the importance of starting early and maximizing your investment opportunities. Whether it's a 401k or a similar retirement account, getting your money working for you is a game changer. During this week, Sethi provides a comprehensive overview of the different investment options available, including retirement accounts, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. He explains the benefits of long-term investing and the power of compound interest, urging readers to prioritize their financial future. Sethi also offers practical advice for getting started with investing, including tips for selecting the right investment accounts and asset allocation strategies. By taking a proactive approach to investing, you can build wealth over time and achieve your long-term financial goals. Week 4. Think about your spending habits. As we move into Week 4, it's time to take a hard look at your spending habits. Sethi advocates for mindful spending rather than strict budgeting, helping you align your expenses with your values and goals. By prioritizing essentials and guilt-free spending, you can achieve financial balance. During this week, Sethi encourages readers to evaluate their spending habits and identify areas where they can make improvements. This includes distinguishing between needs and wants, tracking expenses, and setting realistic spending targets. By developing a conscious spending plan, you can take control of your finances and make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. Sethi also provides practical tips for reducing expenses and increasing savings, such as negotiating bills, shopping strategically, and automating savings contributions. By adopting a mindful approach to spending, you can achieve greater financial freedom and peace of mind. Week 5. Save while sleeping. Week 5 introduces the concept of automating your finances. By setting up direct deposits, debits, and transfers, you can ensure your money is working for you 24/7. It's all about streamlining your financial processes and removing the guesswork from money management. During this week, Sethi explains the importance of automating your finances and provides step-by-step instructions for setting up automated systems. This includes automating bill payments, savings contributions, and investment transfers, ensuring that your financial obligations are met consistently and efficiently. Sethi also discusses the benefits of automation, such as reducing the risk of missed payments and late fees, increasing savings rates, and minimizing the time and effort required to manage your finances. By embracing automation, you can simplify your financial life and focus on what matters most to you. Week 6, the myth of financial expertise. Finally, Week 6 debunks the myth of financial expertise. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to build wealth. Sethi advocates for a simple, long-term investment strategy focused on index funds and smart decision-making. It's about making informed choices and staying the course. During this week, Sethi challenges common misconceptions about investing and empowers readers to take control of their financial futures. He emphasizes the importance of education, discipline, and patience in achieving long-term investment success. By adopting a rational and evidence-based approach to investing, you can navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. Sethi also provides practical advice for building a diversified investment portfolio and managing risk effectively. By focusing on low-cost, passive investment strategies, you can maximize returns and minimize expenses over time. Ultimately, Sethi encourages readers to ignore the noise of the financial media and stick to a disciplined investment plan that aligns with their goals and values. How to enjoy your life. With the 6-week program complete, it's time to reap the rewards of your financial efforts. Sethi reminds us that true wealth isn't just about money. It's about happiness and fulfillment. By spending on what you love, focusing on what truly matters, and automating your finances, you can enjoy a life of abundance without the stress. During this final section, Sethi offers practical advice for living a rich and fulfilling life beyond financial success. He encourages readers to prioritize experiences over possessions, cultivate gratitude, and invest in meaningful relationships. By embracing a mindset of abundance and generosity, you can create a life that is rich in every sense of the word. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and transform your life? With I Will Teach You to Be Rich as your guide, the journey to wealth is simpler than you think. By following Sethi's practical advice and staying true to your goals, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms. It's time to make the right decisions, automate your money, and embrace a future of abundance. Let's get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.